Hi, I'm Jazba. I'm a professional makeup artist and beauty blogger, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do a halo eye look. So a halo eye is essentially when you darken up the outer corner and the inner corner of your eye, and then you make a spotlight on the center of your eye with a little bit of sparkle. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon to stay notified for more updates from MyGlamm.